The minimal space options provided in the Cadimage door are similar to settings provided in regular ArchiCAD doors, but there are some handy extra features that you should be aware of. Let's open the Door Custom Settings dialog to set values for the minimal space dimensions. On the Door Minimal Space page, choose to view settings for the door opening towards or away from the operator. First, I'll set the minimal space dimensions for the hinged side of the door. 3 dimensions are provided. Depending on whether the operator is approaching the door directly, from the hinged side, or from the handle side of the door. Similarly, there are 3 settings for the space to allow on the handle side of the door. One or other dimension will be used depending on the intended direction of approach. 2 values can be set for the depth of the minimal space, one for direct approach and the other for approach from either side. So I've defined the minimal space for the door opening toward the operator. Now I want to set similar values for the case where the door opens away from the operator. On the Appearance page, you'll see a checkbox marked Minimal Space. By default, this is set to On, but you can use it to remove the minimal space symbol for selected doors. To display the minimal space for all doors in a given view, we have to use the Model View Option settings. Open the dialog and expand the Options for GDL Objects section. Click on the Show Minimal Space checkbox and set line type, fill pattern and pens. I'll select a gray outline and fill pens and a transparent background. Back in Floor Plan, the minimal space now shows up. You can see the approach direction arrows on either side of the wall. Use the dynamic hotspot to change the direction of the approach. Rotate the hotspot in either of 4 directions to adjust the approach direction for each side of the opening. As you adjust the approach direction, the shape of the minimal space symbol will change. Finally, I'll use the dynamic hotspot at the edge or center of the opening to align the minimal space symbol with the wall covering. I'll do the same with the other door. In this case, the dynamic hotspots are at the edge of the minimal space symbol. In this tutorial, we've seen how to set the minimal space dimensions, how to show or hide the minimal space symbol, how to change the direction of approach, and how to offset the symbol from the wall edge. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.